G'day legends, just out having a fish. Have a look at this for a nice, quiet little area. It's not too bad at all, and not and a place that the top place I like to come to clear my mind a bit. And at times like this, sometimes you need to. Obviously, by now, most people will have realised that there's been an attack. Israel has attacked Iran, so a geopolitical situation, a black swan to a degree, but we kind of knew it was these type of things. There was always stress there. These guys did attack each other a few months ago. I'm not exactly sure how long ago it was. Last time it happened, Bitcoin dropped 10% in hours. This time, it had already started dropping. It had started dropping, and then we found out about the attack. Which then kept Bitcoin dropping. But relative to what we knew at the time, it was just a pullback for Bitcoin. So so far it hasn't been anything to really worry about because we kind of were expecting it to pull back. I was anyway. I was expecting we're up at 110,000. Unless we're going to break through and get the new all-time high, we're going back down again, and that's okay. So, but what am I doing now? That's why I've made this video. What am I expecting? Well, today it's Sunday in Australia, and I am not doing anything in crypto. I'm not doing any of my leverage trading that I'm learning. I'm not doing any buying or selling. I am going to wait until Monday in America, so which will be Tuesday here. Tuesday 2 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not getting up that early, obviously. Tuesday, I'll get up and I'll see what's happened, because when the attack happened, the stock market closed down. They have a 12-hour halt on trading as soon as anything like that happened. So it got closed down, which means Monday morning when it opens back up, there may be a big drop or a big, a panic sell, which won't be as much of a panic sell now. It'll just be because that's why they lock it up so that they can't panic sell. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting to see what happens. I'm giving it time. I'm waiting to see whether there's a retaliation from Iran, because last time they both went at each other, there was a back and forwards. It wasn't as big as we thought in the end, I don't believe. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. The retaliation will make crypto drop more. Historically, during these times, it's a perfect time to buy in the long run. Historically, during any black swan geopolitical situation, anything like that, it's been a good time for your long-term buying. Not financial advice from me, of course, but I'm just talking about what I'm thinking of doing. But as I said, I will wait until I know whether there's been a retaliation, and I will also wait until after the stock market opens in America for the Americans. So that's what my plans are, and yep, I hope it's helping. I hope it helps you. Just keep calm. Everything, these things always recover. They always end up recovering. Sometimes it just takes a while. All right, have a great day. Do something nice for someone else. Crypto Bogan out.